Now, write x squared minus 12x plus 223 in the form x plus b between bracket squared plus q. And this is 3 marks question. As you can see clearly, this is a higher question, okay? So this could be grade 7 to grade 8. Okay, now, is this solving by factorization? No. Is this solving by quadratic formula? No. So what is left is completing square. Completing the square. Well done. So let's learn the challenging part of solving quadratic equations. Now, first of all, what do we do? Okay? What do we do? Now, we bring the x. We open bracket. Okay? Now, this method, if the a is equal to 1, if a is not 1, could be less than 1 or more than 1, we're going to solve it in the next question. So, stay tuned. X. Now, to write the number in here, it is really this formula. X plus b divided by 2 half b between bracket squared minus b over 2 squared plus c. Okay, so hold up. I know you might be confused. What have I done? Okay, what is b? What is divided by 2? What is all this nonsense? So let's break it step by step. Now, we open the bracket. X plus b divided by 2, or half b, between bracket squared. Let's open a bracket. X. What is b? b is negative 12. So negative 12 divided by 2. And don't forget the square. Okay, we're not squaring the b over 2. We are squaring the whole bracket. That's why it's called completing the square. So, minus, what's b? Again, it's negative 12 over 2. Don't forget the square. Plus c. What is c? The c is the 23. And that's it, really. We just broke it down. b is the negative 12, c is the 23, and we just have to simplify it to get into this form. Now, we don't have to simplify this or any expand. This is further work, okay, more than we need to do, okay, and really in the exam we are very limited in time, so we don't want necessary extra work. So x minus 6 squared minus, what's minus 12 divided by 2? It is minus 6. Minus 6 squared plus 23. X minus 6 squared minus, what's minus 6 squared? 36. Well done. And add the 23. So now we just simplify it together. Minus 36 plus 23, it is minus 13. Minus 13. Now let's check, is this in the form they required? And clearly it is. So we did a good job. So well done if you got this answer. This is 3 marks for you. Well done. Finally, some challenging question, okay? This is a grade 9 question. Now, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 in the form a between bracket x plus b, close the bracket, squared plus c. Now, this is the form. Remind me of what? Remind us of completing the square. Yes, correct. Now this is 4 marks. That means we have a lot of work to do. So let's start. First of all, we have got 2, and 2 is more than 1, so we have some different working out to do to the question we did here. Okay, it's similar, but we're doing a little bit extra work. Now I take out the a. What's the a? In this case it's 2, like in this form. Okay, like you see here. I bring out the 2 outside. Then I'm just factorizing here. X squared plus 3 divided by 2, x minus 5. Okay, the minus 5 should be outside of this bracket. The negative 5 should be outside. The c should be unchanged. Okay, we don't change the c. 2 open bracket x plus what's 3 over 2 divided by 2. What's the answer? Is 3 over 4. Close the bracket. Minus 3 over 4 squared minus b. Now this bit where it's tricky, just a little bit, we close the square up to that point. Okay, so 2x plus 3 over 4 squared minus 3 squared, 9 over 16, times it by 2, right? Finally, 2x plus 3 over 4, square this. What's minus 9 over 16 times by 2? The answer is minus 18 over 16. Simplify this, minus 9 over 8. Minus 9 over 8 minus 5. Final answer is 2x plus 3 over 4. That's the b, the half b. 49 over 8. And that's our final answer. So amazing, guys. If you got this answer, it was challenging, so well done to you all. Okay, give yourself a tap on the shoulder. Okay, you deserve it. Now let's look at the next question. Hence solve 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we want to solve. Now what do we mean by solving? It's finding x. So what's the value of x? So let's bring this equation down. 2 open the bracket x plus 3 over 4 squared minus 49 over 8, okay, equals to 0. Now here I can see that to simplify it, I want to get rid of this and I want to divide it by this. So let's begin. 2 let's do it straight away. X plus 3 over 4 squared 49 divided by 8 divided by 2. What's the answer is going to be? 49 over 16. So 49 over 16. So let's continue here. We run out of space. So because this is squared, we want to get rid of it. So what's the opposite of square? The power square. It is the square root. Well done. So this becomes x plus 3 over 4 square root, positive or minus. Okay, this is really key, everyone. Positive or minus, don't forget that. That means we're going to get two different solutions. 49 over 16 x plus 3 over 4 equals positive or minus 7 over 4. finally x is going to be, let's find the positive first, so 7 over 4 minus 3 over 4 is 1, or minus 7 over 4 minus 3 over 4 becomes minus 5 over 2. And now we got two different solutions as we need to. So if you got this answer, amazing, well done to you. X equal to 1 and x equal minus 5 over 2. Finally, we got one more question. Use your answers to find the coordinates of the minimum point of the graph of y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. This is the same equation that we solved, okay? And they asked to find the coordinates of the minimum point, okay? Minimum point, meaning this is the turning point of the graph. And we know we got either maximum or minimum. This is minimum, this is max. So we're trying to find this now. How to find the turning point? It's easy, okay? We look at this 2 between bracket x plus 3 over 4 squared. Now, what's the opposite of positive 3 over 4? It's easy, minus 3 over 4. We just flip the sign, and the y is the minus 49 over 8. Now, notice I did not change this because we do not have to. This is the C, and we know the C intercept equals to the y, okay? And that's it. We got this as our minimum point. So well done to you if you got that one correct. Amazing, guys. If you watched up to this point, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye.